Have you tried all the techniques to manifest your desire, but none of them have worked for you? Are you tired of waiting? Watch this video till the end and you will manifest your desire in minutes. But before getting started, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Here, we make manifestation easier for you by sharing tips and helpful manifestation techniques. So let's get started. Well, Neville Goddard often talks about states. He says that there are infinite states for each thing and for each person. When a person leaves one state and enters another, his reality changes, and he embraces a new version of himself. This is something explained by quantum physicists. Quantum physicists talk about the concept of the multiverse. According to this concept, there is not only one universe but a multiverse that contains infinite universes. Each universe is different from the others. Neville Goddard says that you are the God. You have created everything, and everything is under your control. You are an operant power, and you operate the universe. Simply put, what Neville Goddard tells you is that you are the universe that contains everything. What I mean by this is that the multiverse exists within you. You've got infinite possibilities, and all these possibilities lead you to a different state. What I'm trying to tell you is that you have all the states, all the realities, and all the versions of yourself inside yourself. So, for you, all the possibilities means you can become whoever you want to. Become and have whatever you want to have, but to have what you want to have or to be who you want to be, you will have to embody a different state or be a different version of yourself. There are infinite versions of you because there are infinite possibilities, and interestingly, everything, every possibility, and every version of you can be found within you. Maybe in this life you are struggling to pay your bills or you are trying to make both ends meet, but in another reality you might be the person you wanted, having all the desired things and having millions of dollars. All the possibilities exist. In some realities you may be a doctor or an engineer, but in another reality you may be a businessman. Let me tell you that there is a reality where you are the person you want to be and where you have all the desired things. In other words, there is a version with all the desired things. So why don't you draw that reality? Why don't you embody that state? In other words, why don't you embrace the desired version of yourself? The cool thing is that the reality you want to manifest already exists, and you have the ability to attract it into the present moment. Using this simple Neville Goddard technique, you can become who you want to be and have what you want to have. You just have to enter the state or embrace the version of yourself where you have what you want to have. So the question is what it takes to get into that reality or to embody that state. It simply requires you to believe that you are already in that state. You have to believe that you are already where you want to be. Don't pay attention to who you are or what your reality is. Simply assume that you are already in that state where you have all the desires. Let go of your present. Don't focus on it. Instead, shift your focus to what you want to get. That's how you can achieve that state. It's because everything comes with focus. The more we focus on something, the more it manifests. So what I'm trying to say is don't focus on your present condition, which is full of sorrows and suffering, because doing so will result in more sorrows and undesirable things. But instead, focus on your desire, because focusing on it will attract it into your life. And the best thing is that it doesn't take any struggle, and even if it did, it wouldn't take too much time. It doesn't go for a week or a month. The moment you completely ignore your present reality and shift your complete focus on your desired reality, you will start living that reality. Manifesting isn't about trying harder or struggling harder to get what you want. It's about letting go of the reality that you don't want to live. Here I want to put a Wayne Dyer's quote to use. We don't attract what we want. We attract who we are. It's interesting and you really need to grasp it. And if you grasp it, your manifestation will come easier. You don't attract what you want, which means wanting your desire will not help you manifest it. Let me repeat, wanting it will not help you manifest it. But the more you want it, the more you will attract neediness. What helps you manifest is the feeling of having it. It means you have to believe with all your heart and soul that you have manifested your desire. And not only believe, but embody that state or be that version of yourself. Let me make it more simple for you to understand it. If you want to be successful, embody the state of being successful. If you want to be rich, embody the state of being rich. Right now, you might be wanting to manifest money, a job, or business success, but that will not help you manifest because you are in the state of wanting your desire. You need to be in the state of having your desire. Are you the person who wants to become rich, or are you the person who is already rich? Are you the person who is battling with circumstances, trying hard to manifest money, or struggling to manifest a relationship with a specific person? Come out of the state of wanting and enter the state of having. So the actual question is, are you ready for the reality that you want to live? Are you ready to let go of your present? You really deserve it. You are worthy to receive it, but you have to saturate your mind with the new reality that you want to manifest. The whole idea is to fill your mind with thoughts of having it and not wanting it. You know that like attracts like, which means what is in your mind comes true in your real life. So if you have the feeling of wanting something, you will want it more, but you will not manifest it. But if you fill your mind with the feelings of having it and experiencing it, you will easily manifest it. What's even more important is that you must believe that Guy is worthy of having it. You know, many people have doubts, and they think that they can't manifest their desires, or that they aren't worthy of them, or that they don't have the capabilities to manifest them. But the problem here is that when you think negatively, you don't manifest them. To manifest your desires, what you require most is the ability to believe in yourself. You have to have a strong feeling that you deserve what you want. It's yours. You aren't going to get it, but it's already yours. You need these kinds of beliefs, and they really help you manifest your desires. Have you ever seen somebody who was a millionaire but suddenly lost all of his money and became very poor? What do you think was the reason? Why did he suddenly lose millions of dollars and become poor? Well, many of you will say that they don't know how to handle money, and that's why they lose. But this isn't the case. The actual reason is that they don't believe that they deserve the money that they have. They think that they don't deserve millions of dollars, so they lose millions in a few days. They actually don't believe they are worthy of their new timeline, and you know the same rule can be applied in relationships, a job, or a business. If you think that this relationship can't go well, then it won't. If you believe that you can do a particular type of business, you won't. If you think that you aren't worthy of some particular type of job, then you will not get it. When you believe in yourself and expect positive things, it is ensured that you will manifest your desire. Believing in yourself means raising and expanding your concept of who you are, what you can do, and what you deserve. You know that you've got to decide what is possible for you. If you think that it is not possible for you, then you will not be able to manifest it. The fact is, if you can think of something, you can manifest it. That's very simple. Remember it all, always. Your thoughts have no limits. Your imagination is limitless, so everything that comes into your mind is possible for you. Let me now tell you the easiest way to deal with beliefs like, I'm not worthy of receiving it, I can't get it, or I don't deserve it. First, I want you to write down your negative beliefs about your desire. Get to know yourself and know clearly what fears or doubts you have. If you don't know what they are, then you need to know, because knowing your fears, limiting thoughts, and negative beliefs helps you overcome them. After knowing your fears and doubts, what I want you to do is learn how to calm your inner spirit. You need to know how to stay relaxed and imagine yourself living beyond all the limitations. Living beyond your limiting beliefs helps you overcome them, because by doing so, you prove to yourself that the negative beliefs don't define you. Maybe right now you believe that you deserve only $50,000 per year. But if you believe this, you will not get more than this. You can increase the amount of money you earn per year by thinking that you deserve more. As we have discussed before, manifestation isn't about changing the 3D world. It is about changing your own beliefs. You have to bring that change from within yourself. But how can you bring that change about from within yourself? What it takes? Well, it simply requires you to stay calm and relaxed. When you are calm and relaxed, you can easily access your subconscious mind and change it. So stay calm and believe that you deserve it and are worthy of having it. Know that you are worthy of having it. Let me tell you about that manifestation of knowingness. The moment you know that something is yours, it becomes yours. And the moment you know something can't be yours, or that you aren't worthy of getting it, you lose it. Don't explain to yourself why you deserve it or what makes you worthy of having it. You just know it. So you must know and realize that whatever you want is already yours and you can have it. Once you have such beliefs, you can see them in your mind, feel them, and then start living them. And another important belief that I want you to have is that what you desire to manifest also desires you. You aren't far away from your manifestation because it is already yours. You just need to know that it is already yours, so be calm and relax. Calm your interior spirit, imagine and visualize, and make positive assumptions about your desire. Currently, you are in a state of neediness, so you are needing what you want to manifest. But you need to know that you are in the wrong state, and that you need to shift to the state that contains your desire. So knowing is more important than anything else. Once you know this, you will come out of this state of neediness and manifest your desire. Your manifestation will soon come into your life, but you need to know that it is coming, and that you must be ready to receive it. I hope I was able to deliver a good analysis of this idea by Neville Goddard. And of course, this doesn't mean we agree with every single thing he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form his or her own opinion, and that is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.